Okay guys, welcome back to Mike and Curtis. We are doing another unboxing video. I know this is probably not the best place to have electronics, but I was shooting a couple other videos in here earlier, so you guys will probably have already seen that, or you'll see this one before that one. I don't know how I'm going to do the schedule for uploading this stuff just yet, but I just got a new iPad and everything, and I wanted to do a little bit of unboxing. This is the 12.9 inch Pro, the 2020 model, 256 gigabytes. So yeah, terrible place to do this, but I'm not going to put it directly on the table, so we should be good. And this will be a quick unboxing. So we're going to quickly take this. Apple makes it, well, apparently I'm not good as everybody else, because everybody else made that look like the easiest thing. And what do? I rip it out first. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead though, try to get this box undone. It feels really light. Now this is probably the third iPad I've owned, but I've only owned a mini, and I owned the Pro, the 10.5 inch that came out I think 3 years ago. So I've not gotten to mess with one of these. So again, I'm not gonna put this down on the table, but oh my god, that is interesting to feel. It's not, I guess, thought it was going to be a little bit bigger, but I'm not going to start this up right now. Got the silver edition because I accidentally ordered, not thinking they had already shipped it out, and I figured it's not going to matter much. I ordered the keyboard, that new keyboard that comes out here. Well, now it's going to come out early. Should be here in a couple weeks, but here's the silver iPad Pro, 12.9 inch display. Oh, it's super thin. Again, I haven't owned the 2018 one, so I don't know much about these. I haven't gotten to play around with them at all. A nice USB-C. So I'm going to finish this real quick and then get it set up. And then so, as normal, you get your manual. And then first time, gotten really anything with USB-C to C, but you get that cable, and then you get your, I believe, 18 watt brick, which looks same brick that the iPhone 11 Max Pros or 11 Pro Maxes come with. So yeah, so this was a little short unboxing. I'm gonna put this all stuff all back so I can go home and set this up. And hopefully, I believe I'm gonna try editing the couple videos that I've done on this thing later tonight once it's set up from here, to give that a shot with LumaFusion. But yeah, so I know there's not much to it, and you guys have probably all seen the end of this stuff, a billion other unboxings because I am late. But I do have the Apple Pencil coming, and I'll probably do an unboxing for that. And I have the Magic Keyboard coming. I ordered that yesterday. It should be here by like, I think at the latest, May 1st. So I'm super excited to get to see that. If you guys like the video, hit the thumbs up, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.